Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about the northern mountains. These mountains stretch across the northern boundary of India. They include the Himalayas, which are the highest mountain in the world. Himalayas stretch in a long curve from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. It forms a natural boundary between India and China. Many states are found in the Himalaya region. These are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and northeastern states. The Himalayas can be divided into Himadri, Greater Himalaya, Himachal, Middle or Lesser Himalayas, and Shivalik, Lower Himalayas. The Himadri is the northernmost range. It is the highest range with an average height of over 6,000 meters. The mountains here are always covered in snow. Some of the highest peaks such as Kanchenjunga and Annapurna are found here. As it is very cold here throughout the year, it is very difficult for people and animals to live in this region. Cultivation is not possible in this region. In some places, huge masses of ice called glaciers that move down the mountain slopes are found. When these glaciers reach warmer region, they melt and form rivers. The region receives heavy rainfall. Now the Himachal, which is the lesser part. This range is found between the Himadri and the Shivalik. The mountains are not as high as the Himadri. They have beautiful valleys such as Kashmir, Kullu, and Kangra. The beautiful hill stations Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Almora, and Darjeeling are located in this range. During summers, people love to visit these hill stations to escape the heat of the plains. Some important mountain passes, such as the Rohtang Pass of Himachal Pradesh, are found in this region. The Himachal range has thick forest covered with pine, oak, deodar and fir trees. Climate is suitable for cultivation. Winters are cold but summers are cool and pleasant. The lower slope of this range have orchard, and in the east we find tea plantation. Now the Shivalik, lower part of the Himalaya. The Shivalik form the southernmost and the lowest range. These are hills rather than mountains. The slopes are covered with thick forest and many varieties of wildlife of India found here. Much of the land is used for growing crops such as rice, potatoes, and maize. The slopes of these hills are used for terrace farming, building a series of steps in the slope of hills for growing crops. Cattle rearing is also common. Cattle like cows and goats are reared here. Now, the region to the south of the Shivalik is called the Terai. It is a flat marshy area who has crops such as rice, wheat and sugarcane are cultivated. In the northeast, the hills are not very high and are covered by thick forest. The hill ranges here include Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Naga, Lusai and Mizo. Thank you.